Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm starting attempt 2 at a 30-day drawing challenge. First up on the list is a scenery with a rainbow, which I love. I once read somewhere that rainbows represent the glory of God on earth. They are symbols of hope and a reminder for the person viewing the rainbow to uplift themselves spiritually. How very fitting at this point in life. Anyway, I hope you all like it. The digital brush I've used today is the Procreate airbrush in its smallest size, and then just color drop my colors to fill in the shapes. I've used the noise brush to create textures and add a fun eye-catching aspect. I hope you all will give this a try with your favorite art medium. Until next time.